Hi, Elephant. My name is JemmieRoss, and this is Bibi, my best friend. We are from the city. Elephant, I come today. I want to have my birthday party in the jungle. Can you assist me with this exciting celebration today?
Happy birthday, JemmieRoss.
Mr. Lion, you are here and I need your help. Can you help me with this really big problem I am facing right now?
I knew you before you were formed in your mother's womb. Jeremiah 1:5, I said your name with love. May the Father guide your steps. May the Son be near. May the Holy Spirit hold you every year. Happy birthday, JemmieRoss.